touched it just a tiny bit. And then you go all the way down. Another 1,000.
Wow.
It's only out right there.
It went to the bottom already?
No, it's just barely kissing over here. It's not touching anywhere else because it's out around that much.
Yeah. This is the activator rod gear.
It's interesting that it's only touching over here. It's not touching anywhere else. Oh, it's touching on the backside slightly. So what it's done is that thing is worn
Like,
this
yeah,
way a little bit.
probably been in a load.
In a load, one direction, so it only wore one particular direction. But I'm sneaking up on it 1,000th at a time.
But I tell you what, for plastic, it's a wonder it didn't just be egg-shaped like an old chicken egg, you know, Steve?
Yeah, really.
Wow.
Another bottom on this one. Cut on the bottom, cut on the top, and the very bottom of that one.
Yeah.
You barely hit it. But I'm just going to keep sneaking up on it. Each one of these divisions is 1,000th of an inch diameter. So it's a half a thousandth that's moving that.
Yeah.
Right.
It's unreal.
Yeah.
And bolting it down was a great idea.
Well, I just hate that.
No way to clamp it, you know, being plastic.
Well, then my clamps are getting hit right now.
Yeah. Well, she's starting to clean up. Trying to get this to get round so make a bushing. Take care of all the slop in the actuator housing.
On the backside, it's cut all the way, and it's barely touching this. So we got to keep going. I may go 2 notches this time. See how in the back
Yeah.
it's already cut?
Definitely out of round. Well, lean entire pizza we call it, and out of round. This is starting to clean up, making it perfectly round.
So it's cutting everywhere except for that one little place right there. And I'm going to go ahead and dial in one more.
Wow,
See what we
it's
get.
still pretty thick, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I haven't taken
Yeah.
it. Piece it out in the edge.
Yeah.
I haven't taken a piece of paper on there yet. But you know, if we're going to build a bushing, we need the core of it to be round.
Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Man, a barber can't even get your hair trimmed that close. Whew.
I don't really need it, but I'm going to go one more just to try to just get a little bit more of that off of there.
Disappearing. Going down to the bottom or to the flat.
That's close enough.
Yeah.
Now, the bushing that we make will be perfectly round and it'll make for that.
Yeah. That was awesome. Thanks for putting up with me over here, Steve, today, watching this, too. I'm going to put this on my channel if you don't mind.
Sure. Now we'll, like that. 48.2. Now I'm going to leave it in there, because if we make the bushing and everything's about to go together and the bushing don't fit, I can skim that off just a little bit more.
Yeah.
But if I take it out,
Did the resetting up?
screwed.
Yeah.
I have to reset everything. And there's no way to get it back in the same spot. So I'm going to leave that where it is. And then we'll make the bushing.
Let me get out of your way
Well,
here.
now that I think about it, probably not. I'm going to back up on that, because we've got to do this next before we get everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. So we're done with that. That's an old hole.
It sure is.
That didn't go in there very far. But I guess I was living life right, because it didn't matter.
Well, we're going to end this video right now, and then we'll pick back up after we put it all back together. Come back and visit us. Bears Rod Shop. Thanks for visiting. Thumbs up.